Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. This is the new year 2020. I want to wish you all a happy new year. I've had the pleasure and the honor and starting the year off right with hosting another big wedding in Alabama. And I saw that you guys really enjoyed the last wedding that I did that was in Texas. And you guys really enjoyed behind the scenes. So I thought I'd take you guys with me on this journey again to Alabama so you guys could see how myself and the team went about setting up this amazing wedding. Shout out to the bride for believing in us. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the amazing space we had the opportunity to decorate, and it looked absolutely stunning. There was so much we could have do when it came to the decor in this space, and I just love the cleanliness of it and how, tall the ceilings were. So I really had a good time decorating the building. We also had the opportunity to come in the day before the wedding to start setting up. So we started by with just putting all of the chair covers and all the chair bins and also steam all the linens. We wanted to make sure we get all this tedious work out of the way before the big day. So as you can see, we're done putting on the chair covers. Right here is just us playing on how we're going to be doing the table arrangements and the table seating.
So are we gonna get time? Are we gonna have time to, like, after the wedding ceremony? Are we going to have time to move the tables afterwards? You know how sometimes they.
No, we're going to arrange it how we're going to have it, and then after. But the only problem is if the visitors is already on the table, we cannot move it. Okay, so how we're gonna have the table set up tomorrow, if we forget. Two talls right here, a tall right here, kind of like in a triangle form. Okay. Okay, guys, as you can see, this is the front entrance of the venue. It's a very busy day today, and we're in Alabama doing decor for 200 people, and this is what we have done so far. We have about 5 hours to decorate, and everything is going good so far. Yes, what? What is that for?
I don't know, it was on the table.
Okay, just leave it there just in
This
case.
one next to the one that.
Okay, this is Sonia right here, as you can see. So we're just setting up, getting ready before the wedding, and everything is coming along together so far. And I'm excited for you guys to see the end result. The venue space is really beautiful. I'm coming to the front so I can fix this flower arrangement that I just did. Fix these orchids, have them hanging, sitting pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and add another candle crystal on the other side of that flower arrangement you see right here. So you're just gonna have 2 crystal candles and the crystal candelabra. Hi everyone! This is the hour before the headache. she's part of the decor crew. We're gonna speak it into existence. She's been doing amazing so far. Right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and start setting up all the candelabras. We have about 6 of the candelabras, so I'm gonna go ahead and put all of them together. These candelabras are gonna go on the bridal party table, and I think they are absolutely amazing, and it really is a statement piece for any event that you want to decorate it with. So what I'm doing right now, I'm cutting some beautiful red roses and adding them into these vase buds for the bridal party table. And then you want to add water into them as well. Can you do me a favor? You see that empty box that's in the garbage can? Can you go get it for me so I can put the heads of these once I'm done cutting them? Thank you. Whoosh, bagay sa get pokey things in them. Yeah. We got 100 of those. Okay, good. I'm doing all the ones for the bridal party. guys think of the final touch? You guys like it? I'm super excited. Super excited of the outcome. I am so tired. And now I'm just gonna go and crash, sleep a little bit, and then come back and pack everything up so I can head back to Florida. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon.